Hello my dear student, welcome to Nagesh Karasge Orchid School channel. Myself Hina Patel. I am going to teach you mathematics for the 5th grade. The chapter is operations. We had learned in the previous class where different types of operations. Yes, we had solved addition, subtraction and the word problem related to that. Now we are going to have one more word problem. Just read out and first try to understand the concept of that and which type of operations we have to deal it with, we will see. Here the example is, in an election Bharat secured 32,48,329 votes. Means what? There was an election, in that one of the candidate was a Bharat who has secured 32,48,329 votes, and that of the another candidate was a Kishore who secured 3,26,45,806 votes. Now this we know what is given in the statement. Now we have to find out what type of operation it will be. Who won? By seeing the numbers you can say which is the largest number. So you can say now by seeing these two numbers we can say Kishore won the election. Okay, my second question is by how many votes? Means I have to find out the difference between the Kishore's votes and Bharat's votes. What is the difference? Yes, difference means we have to do the subtractions of this. Next question is, what was the total number of votes cast? The word itself says total, means we have to go for the additions of Kishore and that of Bharat. So total votes was cast is how much? So we have to do addition of this. Now we will write the statement because it's a word problem. We have to write the statement in short. We will write the statement. Number of votes Bharat secured. How much is given already in the statement? Is 32,48,329. Now what is another candidate? Second is Kishore. Number of votes Kishore secured. Is how much? Is 3,26,45,806. Already I had nothing I had done, just I had read the statement and I had read the problem and I had written the solution for this. Now my question was, who won? By seeing these numbers, which is the largest number? Yes, you are right my dear student. This is the largest number because we are having a 3,26,45,806. So here who won? Kishore won. Kishore won the election. Yes, because we are having this number of votes secured by Kishore. Now my second question is, how many votes? By how many votes? Means I have to go for the difference. So we will write the difference of this. We will do the difference. So first I will write Kishore's votes minus I will write that of Bharat. The difference means I have to go for subtraction. So we will do the subtraction. You know my dear student, what is the subtraction here? Yes, can you go 6 minus 9? 6 minus 9? No. What you have to do? You have to borrow from your next friend. So we will have here 1, we will be having 9, here will be 7. So we will do the subtraction. You know the magic of 9 addition, already I had taught in a previous class. When you will add 9 to which number you will add to get 16? Yes, 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 minus 3 4. Can you do the 5 minus 8? No. So we have to again borrow from the next. So here will be 15. This will be before number, that will be 3. 15 minus 8. Anybody? 7. Then 3 minus 4 is possible? Not possible. Again we have to borrow from before number. So will be now 13 minus 4. What will be the number here? 9. Then 5 minus 2 will be 3. 2 minus 3 is possible. So subtraction not possible. Again we will borrow and we will be writing a before number to this next one. So here is 12 minus 9. Again we have to use magic of 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Again here will be 2. So we found that by how much votes Kishore won with a Bharat. So these are the number of votes. My second question, these are the number of votes which was extra than that of a Bharat. So we can say that Bharat has won the, Kishore has won the election. And my third question is, what was the total number of vote cast? Already I had told you we have to go for an addition of this. So total word itself says we have to do the addition. So we will write the addition of this. You can take a Kishore's number of votes, 3 crores 26 lakhs 45,806 plus 32 lakhs 48,329. Now the word itself gives total, means we have to do the addition of both the votes. Number of votes they had secured in the election. Now we will do the addition one by one, because we have to start always the addition from the right hand side and even the subtraction from the right hand side. So 9 plus 6 or 6 plus 9, because it is addition, the answer will be same, the sum will be same. So 9 plus 6 is 15, 1 carry. Don't forget to add the carry. 2 plus 1 is 3, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 carry. You can do the magic of 9 again here. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, 1 carry. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1 is 9, 6 plus 2, 8, 2 plus 3, 5 and is 3. This is the total vote cast during the election. Understood? So we were having 3 questions together. So one by one we had solved. First, who won? Because we can see by the number itself who is having the more votes. So we had told that Kishore won without doing any calculation. Now was how many, by how many votes? So we had done the subtraction. Then the third question was, what was the total number of votes cast? So we had done the addition of this. I think so everyone understood. We had done 2-3 examples of additions and subtractions together. We will move to the next, that will be, yes, anybody? Yeah, the third operation is a multiplication. Yes, we will go for a multiplication. What is multiplication? Anybody? Multiplication is nothing but a repeated addition. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Can you do the repeated addition, that 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11 time is easy? No, it's not easy. So we do an multiplication of 11 into 11, that is nothing but multiplication. Because of that addition is not possible, so we are doing multiplication. Here simple example I had given, because in the previous class you had studied a 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. Here I am giving a very simple example, that is 3-digit number by 2-digit number. One example we will solve here is given as 344 multiplied by 32. This I had written in vertical form. Similarly, this what I had given is in horizontal way. If it is a single digit, we can do very easily the multiplication. Here we are having a 2-digit number, that is one sentence. So we will write in a vertical way and we will try to solve. Yes, 4 twos or 2 fours. When you multiply 2 fours or 4 twos, the product, that is the answer, will remain the same as it is a multiplication. So 4 twos are 8. Then this number first we will multiply to ones, then this number we will multiply to tens, then this number again we will multiply to 100. So I had done with ones, the 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are or 2 fours are both are same, so I will write 8, 3 twos are 6. Is my answer over? No, because I am having a second number here, that is in the tens place. When it is in tens place, I have to start here with a tens place. So I will write here 0. Now this was just I had showed you for how to do the multiplication. Now I am going for tens number. So I have to do the multiplication with for ones, then tens and then 100. So we will try to do it. Again 4 threes are 12. So we have to give a 1 carry to the previous number or a before number. So again 4 threes are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, again 1 carry. 3 threes are 9 plus 1, 10. Put a line, what to do? Yes, you are right. We have to do addition of this. Now we will do the addition, which should be in a line form, and 8 plus 0 is always number itself. 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 carry. 3 plus 6 is 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 carry, 1, and this is 1. After 3 digit, insert the comma. So you can read that what number we got is 11,008. Understood, my dear student? One more example I will try to solve here. So you will understand how to do with a 4 digit also and with a 3 digits also. So we will go for the next example. So which will be, the concept will be more clear to you. So here will be 1, 2, 7, 8 multiplied by 4, 6, 2. Same we have to follow. Just first we will multiply to ones, tens, 100, and we are having a 1000. If the number goes on increasing, then also we have to multiply to each and every number what we might be having further. Okay. So my dear student, 8 multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by 8, both will be same. Yes, 8 twos are 16, 1 carry. 7 twos are 14 plus 1, 15, 1 carry. 2 twos are 4 plus 1, 5, 2 ones are 2. Now I had done with ones, I have to go with tens. So I will put 1 0 because I am going with tens number. So what I have to do? I have to multiply to ones, I have to multiply to tens, I have to multiply to 100, and again I have to multiply to 1000. Yes, 6 8s are, anybody? 48. 4 carry, because I have to give a carry to next number. Already I had multiplied here. Now 6 7s are or 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 4 is 46. Again 1 4 carry. Next 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4, how much? 12 plus 4, 16, 1 carry. 6 ones are 6 plus 1 is 7. Now this I done with the 6. I have to go for the hundreds place. This is 4, which it is ones, tens and 100. So I have to start with here. So before that I will write here 0. Now what I have to do? Again I have to multiply this to 8, 7, then 4, 2 and 1. What I had done with the previous number, same I have to do with this 4 also. 8 4s are 32. Yes, you are right. Here 3 carry. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3, 29, 30, 31. So here again 3 carry. 4 2s are 8. But we have to add our carry. Yes, 4 2s are 8. 9, 10 and 11. Again 1 carry over here. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 is 5. Now underline. What we have to do? Yes, you are right. We have to go for addition. So what will be the here? 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 5, 13. 1 carry. Don't forget to put the carry and count also. Now we can do here. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 13 and 14. 1 carry over here. Next, 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 9 and 1 is 10, 1 carry, 7 plus 1 is 8 and this is 9 and this one. Can you read this number? No. What we have to do? Insert the comma. Yes, you are right. Now we can read this number. It's 5,90,436. My dear student, again I will say, whenever you are having a 3-digit or 4-digit numbers, first try to multiply ones with ones, then tens, 100 and 1000, whatever you are having. Similarly, if you are having your 4-digit, again you have to take this number, multiply this number with ones, tens, 100, 1000 and whatever you are having. Okay, just you should know, before this you should know the tables. So please try to recite the table daily, so it will be more easy for you to do a multiplication sums. Okay, my dear student, everyone understood what are the multiplication sums? Now one more example, already we had seen with the numbers. Yes, we will see one of the word problem or story sum which is related to what? Yes, we have to find the operation of this. Here the question is the cost of a headphone. You know everyone, headphone? Yes, is rupees 564. How much? Is 564. What you understood? Yes, one headphone cost 564 rupees. What is the cost of 285 headphones? Why they require 285 headphones? I can give one simple example that one headphone is costing 564. Suppose they are having some organization or institute where they required headphone. So they want to purchase this number of quantities of headphone. So how much money are required to purchase this number of headphone? So what you have to do? I told first also, if we know the cost of one, you have to multiply to get the cost of many things. So we will do the multiplication here. So here rupees 564 is the rupees 564 is the cost of one headphone. What will be the cost of 285 headphone? I know this is cost of one headphone. Now cost of 285 headphone. Is equal to question mark. Yes, we have to find what will be this multiplication. So we will do the multiplications of 564 multiplied by 285. Here we are doing a multiplications of a 3-digit number with a 3-digit number. So here what we will do? We will do the multiplication. 5 4s are 20, very good. Next we have to multiply to this number. 6 5s are 30 plus 2 is 32. 5 5s are 25, 26, 27 and 28. Now this our ones is over, we will go for tens, so we have to put here 0. So what will be the here? I have to multiply it with once again. 8 fours are 32, 3 carry, 6 8s are or 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 3, 48, 49, 50, 51. 5 carry, 8 5s are 40 plus 5 is 45. Is my sum over? No, because I am having here one more digit, so it is in 100 place. So I have to insert 2 zeros and I have to start with 100 place. So now this number will be multiplied to ones, tens and 100. So 4 2s are is 8. 6 2s are is 12. So I have to put 1 carry. So 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. What I have to do? I have to put addition. Yes. Now we will see, this is 0. 2 plus 2 is 4. 8 plus 8 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. 1 carry. Now 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 1 10. So here one more carry. 4 plus 1 5 and 1 6, and this is 1. After 3 digit, after 2 digit, we have to put the comma. What will be this? Is in the rupees. So I will write it is rupees. How much it is rupees required? Rupees 1,60,740 rupees are required to purchase 285 headphones. My dear student, everyone try to do the multiplications with your own number, so you will have a practice of this and you can solve the various types of problems. Everyone understood? Because we had learned previously also what are the simple multiplications, and we had seen one more, this one word problem, so you will understand. Now another word problem we will explain, we will try to solve. In the factory, 3,525 clips made per day. In one day, how many clips were made? 3,525. One day, the clip made in one day. Clips made in one day. How much? Is 3,525. How many clips are made in 237 days? Will you add daily 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day until 100 and 200? Is easy? No. So I told previous only we will go for multiplications. Now how many clips are made? How many clips are made in 237 days? Clips made in 237 days is equal to question mark. What we have to do? We have to do multiplication. Now we will do the multiplication, that 3,525 multiplied by 2, 3 and 7. Is it easy for you? Yes? Yes, it is easy for you as we had done the many sums previously. So we have to do simple multiplication. Here we are having 3 digits, so we have to go for 3 steps here and we have to do addition. We will try to solve this. 7 5s are 35. 3 carry. This I will multiply to ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So 7 2s are 14 plus 3. 15, 16 and 17. 1 carry. 7 5s are 35 plus 1 is 36. So 3 carry and 7 3s are 21 plus 3, 22, 23 and 24. This I had done with ones. Now we have to go for second number, that is in the tens. Again we have to multiply it to ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So again 5 3s are 15. Should I write here? Should I write here? No, you know very well. Because it is in tens, we have to write 0. So 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6, plus 1 is 7, 5 3s are 15. We don't have anything carry, so we have to write 5 3s are 15, 1 carry. Next 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. So I don't have number, so I will write 10 here directly. Now what will be the next? I am having a 100 place value. You can do this what I had done with a pen. You can do with a pencil in your book when you are solving things. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So you will not skip any a number. 5 2s are 10. Again because I am in 100 place, I have to write 2 zeros. Yes. Now we will write 5 2s are 10, 1 carry. Because I had done the multiplication with this number, I have to give a carry to before number. So 2 2s are 4, plus 1 is 5, and 5 2s are 10 or 2 5s are 10, both are same. So 5 2s are, I don't have any carry, directly 5 2s are 10 here and 1 carry to the before number. So what will be here? 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. What should I do? I should do the addition of this. Now I have to go for addition. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 carry over here. Here is 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 7 14. 1 carry. This is 10. This is 14. And 1 is 15, 1 carry. What will be 2 plus 1 is 3. Next 7 plus 1, 8. Now after 3 digit, after 2 digit, I have to put the comma. What we had got? In 237 days, how many clips were produced? So we can write therefore 8,35,425 clips were made in how many days? 237 days. This is our answer. Have you understood? So what we have to do? We have to read the question slowly. We have to try to understand what type of operation is there, and then we have to find out the operation, and then we have to substitute the value and try to solve the whatever the story sum is given to us. My dear students, I think so everyone understood what we had done. We had seen multiplication, simple multiplications. Then we had done with multiplications with a word problem, multiplications with a 2-digit numbers by 3-digit number, 3-digit number by 3-digit number, and again we had done 4-digit number by 3-digit number. Already we had solved 2-3 different types of a word problem. So you will understand how to solve, how to write the statement and substitute the values and do the multiplication. I think so everyone understood. Please my dear student, try to solve the sums given in the textbook, so you will understand the concept and do the practice similar and create your own sum, and you can do it. Thank you.